Could also pointed to this issue that the dam authorities at times do not take adequate measures before releasing the water into the river, and what do you have to say about it? Even the locals, saying that adequate measures are not taken and standard operating procedures are not followed.
Definitely, you are right. We are thinking this type of thing happen for first time. Next time we'll definitely be look after these things, how to operate these things. Otherwise, this type of thing never happen again. And siren and other thing, that will be the secondary. We should preferably the announcement should be made.
हिमाचल गवर्नमेंट तो कोशिश कर रहा है, मंत्री साहब यही है, तो कल से दूसरा मंत्री भी आए थे, कोशिश हो रहा, मगर यहाँ के जो पेरेंट्स है वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं है। पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि डीप पे जाके वो लाशों को ढूंढना चाहिए बोल के पेरेंट्स का कहना है, तो ये डीप अंदर ले जाके नहीं कर रहे। कलेक्टर साहब कहते हैं ये तो पूरा मट्टी रहता है, पानी गाढ़ा रहता है, डीप जाके करने से ट्रेस आउट नहीं होता, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बोल के कलेक्टर बोल रहे। मगर वो लोगों का आवेदन तो जल्दी लाश मिलना चाहिए उनका है, तो मिनिस्टर साहब भी अभी बोल रहे 400-500 लोग ये कार्यक्रम में लगे हुए हैं, मिलिट्री भी है और सिविल वाले भी है।
Today, the water level in the river, in the upstream part of the reservoir as well as in the reservoir has gone down, and this is a natural phenomenon. Early in the morning, the water level always goes down, and so now we'll be focusing more on the early morning part because that makes it more convenient for us to work and look for the bodies. This morning we recovered a body which was stuck just around 600 meters downstream from where the incident took place. Body was in quite a good shape, I would say, and our people were able to extricate it from the rocks.
सर्च ऑपरेशन है तो ठीक नहीं है जी इधर, वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ठीक नहीं है, वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी नहीं है इधर, वो क्या है, वो पानी में और तो गैस के इधर है, ऑयल के इधर है, वो चेक करना है क्या, तो बच्चे लोग के इधर है चेक नहीं कर रहे इधर। हाँ, मैं 2 दिन आए इधर आके, अभी तक ठीक नहीं है, बहुत परेशान हो गए, गलत हो गए, बहुत प्रॉब्लम में है।
एक और बॉडी जो है देवाशीष बोस, उसकी मिली है। उसके पिताजी यहाँ पहले दिन ही आए थे, जो वहाँ के तेलंगाना के होम मिनिस्टर उनके साथ, तो उन्होंने उसको रिकॉग्नाइज भी किया है। अब बॉडी को हम रिकॉग्नाइज करने के बाद पोस्टमार्टम के लिए हॉस्पिटल भेज दिया है और उसके बाद रेडी कर करके उसको उसको भेजा जाएगा।
Shamsher joining us on the phone line for more. Shamsher, now hope clearly fading for any survivors, but today the Himachal Pradesh High Court stepping in and taking suo motu cognizance of the incident.
Well, that's right. In fact, when we spoke to the officials here, they say that, to hope for finding any survivors would be like, hoping against hope. Statistics clearly don't support this kind of a hope, but they're saying that they are making every effort to retrieve the bodies as soon as they can. In fact, there are about 500 people of different agencies, including SSB, ITBP, the Indian Army, NDRF, and the local police, the locals and the rafters. They are scanning every inch of the river. It is a 15-kilometer stretch from Thalot, where the incident took place, from was released, down to the Pandor Dam, where we are at the moment. The bodies could be found somewhere here, and every spot is being scanned. Today, in fact, the water level was lowered by 4 feet. And in fact, since then, one body has been recovered. But the parents who are here are clearly not satisfied with the effort being put in. For them, there's a sense of urgency. They want the government to the administration to take up this case with a sense of urgency and to lower the water level further so that the bodies can surface. But then there is a technical problem in doing that, because the fear is that if the water is released from here to lower the water level so that the bodies appear, the chances are that bodies may, get washed away further, and then finding them will be all the more difficult.
Right.
The parents are really not satisfied. In fact, the Home Minister of Telangana is also, he also seemed not very happy with the effort being put in by the state government and the administration. Plus, what is compounded their problem is that
Shamsher, I have to interrupt you there. More news coming in.